Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, 2-3 patterns are forming. So what you have to look at this particular trend, see what I have told you that if the price keep moving above a level of 3.4, chances are high it can go further upside, and once started going above a level of $4, we can see there can be a further upside movement. The price is already above 3.4, okay, and this is the level. We can see, suppose if it's dropped this particular level, goes below this level, chance of going towards 3.2 we can see. Okay, so if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, there is a bigger pattern is forming. Okay, so if the price keep moving again above a level of 3.66, we can see there will be a further rise, because this particular pattern will support an upside, and once started sustaining over 3.66, it can cross a level of $4. Okay, and touches the $4. So if that goes upside, we can see there can be further rise, and once the price moving up this level, it can touch a level of 4.3, and from there a level of around 4.55 to a further high. But if you look at the smaller pattern, what you can see, this is a smaller pattern. So if the price sustain above this level, chance of going towards 3.68 we can see, and if that sustain, we can see the price can move above a level of 3.87, and then there will be a zone breakout, so probability of going towards 3.98, and once started sustaining over $4, a further upside we can see. But if you look at this particular trend, an opposite U pattern is forming. Suppose if the price started falling below this level, it can touch a level of 3.54, and once started falling below this level, we can see a level of $3.46, and from there a further fall we can do 3.36. Suppose if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 3.17 we can see, and from there it will fall below a level of $2.9. This particular pattern is supporting downtrend, so we can see a further downfall. Okay, so before I explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail id in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, this is the level of 4.9. we have seen this level has come in the month of December 2022. Okay, so if it started going above this level, there will be a further rise movement we can see. Okay, now if you look at the dollar index, see, dollar index plays an important role in deciding the price of natural gas, because they are inversely related. Okay, so now let's see how the dollar index is moving. See, dollar trading at a level of $99.18. See, the price is continuously trying to go down, and this particular pattern is created here, a U pattern. Chances are high it can move below a level of 98.9, and once started falling below this level, chance of touching 98.8 we can see, and then from there it will cross a level of 97.9, because this particular pattern will support, and once the price moving below this level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 97.4 to a level of 96.8. From there a bounce back can come. Okay, this is the trend. So one, but if started sustaining of this level, it can move above a level of 99.9, and from there a probability of going towards 100.5, then there will be a zone breakout, so chance of going towards 101.3 we can see it can cross a level of 102, and then a further upside will be there, but probability of going further down is on a higher side. Okay, and I've already explained you that when the natural dollar index started going upside, we said the natural gas price comes down, and when the dollar index started going down, we see the natural gas price goes up. Okay, but remember, see, market is uncertain, so you have to understand, whenever you start your trade, keep your SL, and once you in profit, try to trail it, so your trail the SL, your profit will be safe. These two things you have to do. Okay, now looking again on the chart, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, see, we should not be looking at this bigger chart. Let's see, bigger chart is showing that if the price keep moving above a level of 3. Bigger chart showing that if the price keep moving above a level of 3.67, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and if the price, it didn't bounce back, it came down, so but if it started going above this level, a further high we can see, and once started going above this level, probability of going towards $4 we can see, and if that sustain, we can see the price can move towards 4.38, and from there a further high towards 4.55 will be there. Okay, now if you look at this trend, there is a probability. See, there is a huge pattern is forming. So if it started going below this level, we can see a level of 3.5. From there, a level of 3.45, and once started falling below this level, chance of touching 3.3 we can see. And if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 3.2 to a level of around $3. And if the price falling below $3, we can see that can further fall. And yes, after that, a probability of going towards $2.8 will be there, and then further low. But see, in one day it won't be making high. We can see there it will be a more chances of going further down if the price started falling below 3.3. But suppose if started sustaining this level, we can see the price can go towards 3.64. And if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching 3.69 will be there. If the price started going above this level, probability of going towards 3.74 we can see, and from there a further upside towards 3.78. And once started going above this level, probability of going towards 3.989 we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout, and this particular pattern is supporting upside, so we can see it will cross a level of $3.93, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside towards $4, and then further high we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me out. Given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.